So we've invited prospective students who are going to come with us in September, and we give them a taste of what it's like to be a student at Shipley College. We have the opportunity to allow students to be inspired tonight and have aspiration and ambition in terms of what they want to do next. So we've got CSI going on in one room, we've got a safeguarding case room where they're scanning and going around all the different parts of the department, and we've got immersive classroom going on and our simulator mannequins, so it gives them a little bit of a taste of what's to come, but also inspire them about their future careers.
So it really gives the students a feel for the space that they're going to be working in, some of the staff they're going to be working with as well as getting to know some of their peers that will be in their class. So the students are working on a collage screen printing mixture, sort of mixed media response to an artist called Ben Brider. So they're playing around with a few different mediums.
So after these test sessions, they do come back to us in September as students, and I think they genuinely come back because of all the practicals we do, the inspirational staff that we have, and kind of changing their, I suppose, journey of education and getting them to where they want to come next.